Got him. Welcome back, Water Rat Lyle here. I got my fishing partner of the day, Remy. That's my doggy. She loves the water. So right above this way, it should be a deep pocket of water. We're going to try to fish that. Fished a couple little areas. I forgot to do the intro, so now I'm doing the intro. Hey. So this is where we're at. Just creek walking. Trying to find pockets of water and catch some fish. So let's get back to it. All right, meet Remy. She's going fishing with us. Come here. Let me get this off. Come on. She's probably going to scare the fish away. She loves water, but hey. We're going to the back creek. I used to fish here a long time ago. And there's some deep, real deep pockets in this little creek right here. So hopefully we can get something. I haven't been here in, goodness, 8-9 years or so. Hopefully it's all the same. We shall see. Are you going to show us where the fish are, Rem? Okay. Hey, nope, nope. She's trying to get, hey, come on, this way. Come on, we'll get down there over here. She's trying to get in the water. Way to get down right here and then come back up. Spider web, sweet. Hey, come on. Yeah. And there she goes. In the water. Really? You want to scare all the fish away? Okay, let's go. We'll go this way and work our way back. Hey, come on. Really? She's just doing what she wants to do. Living her best life. See if we can get some up here. Okay, let's see. Some chubs. Bigger chubs and crawdads running. Let's see. No, come on. Today I will be using my brand new rod and reel combo, Mike Iaconelli. This is a 6.6 medium action. It's pre-spooled with 8-pound test. That's perfect. One piece rod and reel combo from Bass Pro. I got it today. Hey, really? Hey, Don't start eating the grass. Knock it off. So let's see if we can get something on the break in the pole. Hey, come here. Yeah, exactly. Get out of there. I'm trying to fish here. Oh, I missed him. Missed him again. Daggone it. Choke. Come here. Come here. Let me get that off you. Probably little tiny chubs or something. Oh, I got him. Fish on. What you got? What we got? What we got? Oh, baby bluegill. It's good catfish bait right there. Let's let him go. Oh. Ah, daggone it, Jimmy. Oh, I got him too. Feels like a little bit bigger one. Oh, that's a baby bass. Nice. Look at it. Oh, dang it. He got off. It's all right. She said, where'd he go? Were you trying to catch him again? She's trying to stand on one rock, all four paws. Hold it up. There we go. Got him again. Let's see if this is another bass. It is. Oh no, it's a huge freaking shiner. Golly. This is amazing catfish bait right here. Hold still and I'll get you off. Get you off the hook. Hey, this thing is freaking huge. Ow, ow. See you later. Oh, that was a good size one. Something good. I want to fish this. See some bluegills in there. Hey, no. Okay. See if we can get some here. Set that one there, and we'll use this one. Make this a little bit deeper. And cast back this way. Up on this tree. Got him. Oh, there's a bigger one too. I see him. He's a big old warmouth, looks like. Stay there. Stay there. Yep. No, he dropped it. A big mama over there. Ah. There he is. Oh, he went right past it. This dog. He's scaring the fish away, Rim. Got him. He's a little guy. See if we can get one standing right next to him. Yep, he's coming to check it out. I didn't want you to do it. Yeah, there you go. No. Ah, barely had it. Got him. Spot catching bluegills. I'll get off of that tree. There's the one I wanted right here. There's a bigger one than that though, but he's a warmouth. These things are aggressive. Look at the colors on him. Good looking fish. There's a bigger one though. Oh, he got off. I see you sticking out of a tree right here. Got him. Got him. And yet there's a bigger one than this. Come here. I'll get you back to your friends. All right. We're back over here now. See something come checking it out. Got him. What is it? A huge chub. Nope, another shiner. Man, only if I was going shovel head fishing, I would keep these guys. Oh, hush it. See you later. Oh, I got him. Oh, this is a bass probably. Way it's jumping. Yep, largemouth. Awesome. This one ain't gonna get away. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's let him go. Well, I was going to do an underwater release on the bass and he fell out of my hand. So, he did get released. Nice and safe. Got him. Little tiny chub. Hey. Out of this little puddle. I'll put him over here. Hey. Alright everyone, we're going to end the video there. Going to head out. That girl needs a bath. She's been running through the mud. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got a lot of small fish today, but it was fun getting back to my roots. I used to walk these creeks all the time and just do some little fishing for bait when I used to go shovelhead fishing all the time. So maybe in the future we'll get a shovelhead video going on. I have one on my channel, but that's my go-to. I need to get out more and do that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. Greatly appreciate you watching the video on my channel. Stay tuned, there'll be more to come. Love it out here.